Hi everybody, I'm Andrew Pliagas with the Harper Porsche Classic program, and I'm here today with the 3.3 liter intercooled engine out of our 1978 930 Turbo for the restoration category of the 2026 Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge. Now that the engine and the transaxle are out of the car, we're going to dive into a deep teardown and rebuild of both units. The engine will be torn down to its component pieces and the crankcase split so that we can address everything from the main bearings and the rotating assembly up. We are going to face a few challenges with this rebuild. Number one, we've got the secondary air injection system to deal with. This is an emissions control car, and a lot of those parts are not readily available, so we're going to have to recondition what we can, or what we have, to the best of our abilities and make it concourse presentable. Number two, we need to make sure that all of the cosmetics are correct as well. There are details such as the coating on the valve covers, zinc-plated hardware, etc., that we need to ensure is returned to the state in which it left the factory. As for the transaxle, we're going to do an entire series on that rebuild as well, as we rectify the gear grinding that you saw in our introductory video. If you are interested in having any sort of deep service done on your own 911 engine or transaxle, please do contact us. We have the expertise and the parts to assist.